Video once, long time no here. Ayan, nag-prepare lang ko upang food wrap. Ay, magkatingala kung naanay mga itong sa kamats. Gikaon ko na to kay para ang ako mga anak makakaon o lami o perfect. Now, dili man siya perfect, pero ang alam ko perfect to para sa mga kids because it is a healthy meal. Now, food wrap na lang tayo lettuce, tapos ng butang taog pipino. And then before that, nag-caramelize tao ka ng onion, ha? So, I'll be showing you two of the favorites meal of my kids. Kaya gina-request man nila. And then, ayan, carrots, then kamatis, and then the shawarma of Feb's Good Kitchen. Ayan, ginawa ko siyang parang meat. So, again, shawarma of Feb's Good Kitchen. You can buy tanawa ilahang page and then you will see other new products. And then, ayan, gimix ko na siya ha, dili na original Thailand island dressing. Gimix lang na ako na with mayo and then mustard. Then, ayun, tapos na tayo sa first na meal ng kids. Now, the second one is the sandwich. As you can see, may sobra akong tofu, tengang daga, unsa pa to akong ipang butang, I put sayote or I think it's the broccoli.